Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The Tiffin Phaeton Special Edition, widely regarded as the most insane Class A motorhome ever, will be released in 2026, pushing the limits of what is possible for mobile living. This remarkable recreational vehicle is set to redefine luxury, technology, and sheer scale inside the Class A motorhome sector. It is more than just a motorhome. It is a finely constructed, independent, luxurious house made for the pickiest vacationers. With its impressive appearance and well-thought-out design, the 2026 Tiffin Phaeton Special Edition attracts attention from the outside. An exclusive, multi-stage paint job, possibly featuring elaborate custom graphics or a distinctive, high-gloss finish that gleams in any light, would be displayed on the exterior. Premium LED lighting, including distinctive daytime running lights and cutting-edge adaptive headlamps, would illuminate the road with unmatched clarity and advanced aerodynamic sculpting, not often found on vehicles of this size, would be incorporated to improve both appearance and efficiency. Numerous motorized awnings and large, flush-mounted windows would blend in perfectly with the streamlined bodywork, giving away the roomy and opulent interior. Entering the Phaeton Special Edition is like walking into a custom-built, upscale apartment. The insane level of luxury starts with a larger floor plan that probably includes several slide-outs that, when pressed, turn the living area into a very roomy and open space. The finest materials would be used, including hand-polished exotic hardwoods, custom-stitched real Italian leather upholstery, gorgeous stone countertops, and designer fixtures all over. Large, cozy seating configurations, maybe including reclining theater seats, and a sizable, specially designed entertainment center with a retractable HD TV and a top-of-the-line surround sound system would be included in the living room, with professional-grade stainless steel appliances, such as a residential-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and possibly even a wine chiller or an integrated espresso machine. The gourmet kitchen would be a chef's paradise. A large dining room that can accommodate a number of people would be the perfect venue for entertaining. The insane luxury claim would be embodied in the master suite. A dedicated entertainment system, plenty of custom-built storage options, such as spacious cupboards and drawers, and a king-sized, adjustable bed with a high-quality mattress would all be included, with a full-size tiled shower with numerous sprayers, a heated floor, a high-end vanity with 2 sinks, and possibly even a bidet. The en-suite bathroom would be a spa-like haven. The 2026 Tiffin Phaeton Special Edition would be a technological wonder. It would incorporate an advanced smart home system that would enable voice commands or touchscreen controls for the lighting, climate, entertainment, and security functions. Off-grid capabilities would be guaranteed by sophisticated power management systems, such as a strong solar array and a powerful generator, and extensive connectivity choices, such satellite internet and a cellular booster, would keep a strong signal even in distant areas. An innovative air suspension system for an exceptionally smooth ride, strong disc brakes, and a variety of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and 360-degree cameras would make driving this monster a breeze. A testament to what can be achieved when luxury, technology, and unbounded ambition come together in a mobile form. The 2026 Tiffin Phaeton Special Edition would be more than just a motorhome.